Hello guys, kindly check this application out. When we say flying from, we can say Italy, then flying to, we can say Kenya. We can toggle between them, guys. See you guys. So that is that. Finally, we can send it. Now, this is an update of our previous app, which is the flight booking app. I'll leave that in the description below. Kindly check it out. Now, without wasting much time, let's begin. Thank you very much. Let's begin by creating a toggle section. Now, in between the departure and the arrival, we create another div here, then call it toggle section. Good. So over here, we create a div, and inside this div, let's go to Google. Then we look for React icons. So inside that, we say exchange. So we're going to copy this one, CG arrows exchange and CG arrows exchange, this and this. So let's go and import it. So we go to import them. So we say CG arrows exchange from React icon CG. So that is that. Now let's call them in the application inside the div. Over inside the div now. Okay, and the second one. Okay, so that is that. We give them a class name 6XL and text white. So let's check it out. Great guys, we have them here. So next thing to do is to align them to the center. So let's go there. We give it a class name. They are div a class name. Good. So that's if I center. I think that will solve that. Let's check it out. Good. Now next thing to do now is to display one at a time. So we create a state to handle that. So let's see how to do that. Go up and create a state. Good. We call use state and use effect. So next thing to do is to say state for toggle. So inside that we say const toggle set toggle equal use state equals false. So next is to create an on click on the icons. Okay, so let's go to the icons. And over here we say on click. Say on click handle toggle. Likewise the second one too. On click handle. Now we create a function for handle toggle. So let's go do that. So over here we say handle toggle. Okay, so we say const handle toggle equals to a function where set toggle into bracket not toggle. So that is that. Let's check it out. Good. So next thing to do is to create a condition to display one of them at a time. So to do that, we say let's call bracket, and then inside that let's say if toggle equals false, then display the first one. So let's cut the first one. Good. Otherwise, then display the second one. Cut that one too and paste it there. So that is that. Let's check it out. You can see guys, it changes. So that is that. So next thing to do is to watch the inputs for departure and arrival. So let's go do that. So first thing to do is to check the watch, whether it is having called. This is here for us. Good. So next thing to do is to say watch departure and arrival. So we can say const departure equals watch to bracket departure. So that is that. We can console log it. We can say console dot log to bracket departure, good, comma, departure. Now, so let's do the same thing for arrival too. So we copy that, just paste it, and change it to arrival. So this place becomes arrival. Good. So that is that. Let's check it out. So let's go to our screen. Console. Let's check it out. Sorry, E. Okay. Good. So that is good. So that is that. Let's inspect it. Go to console. What is this? Default value. Okay. We don't need any default value. So guys, so when we say England, you can see England code has been given to us. When we say Malaysia code has been given to us. So that is it, guys. So next thing to do now is to what? To swap them. So to do that, let's go and see how to swap them. So to do that, let's call, so we say swap input. Then inside that we call use effect, which is the dependent on the toggle. So set value departure, let's change the value to arrival, and set value for arrival, let's change the value to departure. So take note, we need to call the set value. Yeah, so I think that is that. Let's check it out. So when we go back and say Italy, then next one, let's see Kenya. We say toggle. Toggle is Kenya now comes from flying from, then flying to now is what? Italy. So guys, that is that, guys. Finally we submit. You can see the departure and the arrival. Thank you so much for sticking through. Please don't forget to do good. Catch you in the next one. We say peace.